okay if the speaking live from my side is not visible to you is okay, because slides will be there and we are going to record also. So if I will stop the video, it is saving your data. That's what I have observed. That's why I am asking you in the chat box whether is it okay if I switch off my video, which not only consumes my data, but it consumes your data as well. So just response to that, whether it is okay to keep the video off, say yes. If you want video to be on, say
This call
no.
is now being recorded.
So please write down in the chat box by the time. It's okay, Kushal has written. So I guess most of you are okay with it. Yes, Amit Patel is also saying yes. So yes, Disha, everybody is saying, because ultimately we have to see the contents and there is nothing hand gestures I cannot use since we are not live in the class. So I also thought that let us reduce the bandwidth required, the data pack required for our students, so that they can attend all the three lectures and they will protect the plan for further data use till the end of the day. So friends, I am from bottom of my heart, I am extremely happy to share that all the students have, except 2 to 3 students, everyone has given the test, and that also they had excuse as they were not able to connect because of electricity failure or mobile data network issue. So I'm really, really, really amazed that you people are doing so good in distance mode of learning also, and you people have posted within the time limit. Almost 95% of the students have given sort of assignment, sort of test, whatever you call it as. At the end of the semester, I'm going to create a folders for each and every student in the Google Classroom, wherein you can upload each and everything onto your folder, and that will be used as a continuous evaluation if in case exams do not happen. So at your end also, topic, small topic which is left from the first module, and although it is not explicitly mentioned, but in the discussion of the syllabus setting committee and uh, paper setting committee, I am one of the members. We have decided that although it is not exclusively mentioned, the topic name, but we must cover it so that आगे जो आपका बूथ्स एल्गोरिदम है मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन का, तो वो टाइम पे आपको वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, टूज कॉम्प्लीमेंट, बाइनरी एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, वो आपको इम्पोर्टेंट है. इसके लिए मैं सिलेबस में भले ही वो मेंशन नहीं है, लेकिन आगे के टॉपिक का प्री रिक्विजिट है. इसके लिए वो मैं आपके साथ आज शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. वी विल जस्ट go through how the binary addition takes place and how BCD arithmetic work, what is ones complement and what is two's complement. So this will be the agenda for today. Okay, we are recording the meeting also, so those who will not be able to join, or those who will not follow at the same time, they can view it later on, and they can take the benefit of the same. So I will start with the BCD binary arithmetic. BCD arithmetic is slightly different version of the binary arithmetic. So now, how the addition takes place? If you remember, we have taken the logic gates. ओके, लॉजिक गेट्स में हम लोगों ने और ऑपरेशन देखा. और ऑपरेशन का ट्रूथ टेबल क्या था? इफ टू इनपुट्स आर 0 0, 0 0, आंसर इज 0, 0 1 answer is 1, 1 0 answer is 1, 1 1 is also answer is 1, and uh, that was the OR operation. But in reality, how the binary addition takes place, for this I have displayed in front of you the two numbers wherein there is no question of carry. We are There is no carry generated in any of the operation. So I have started with a very simple binary addition as 0 1 1 0 0 to be added with 1 0 0 0 1. Now let us see what is the answer and how to get the answer in case of binary addition. Now all of you have got enough practice to understand what is the binary value, what is the decimal value of the first number. It is 8 plus 4, that is 12, and below is 16 plus 1, that is 17. Okay, so these are the two numbers which are given to you, and you are asked to find out the addition of these two numbers using binary addition rules. So what this says, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. So if you calculate what is the total value, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 4, 28 and 29. 29, and what were the numbers I have said? It was 12 plus what I said, 16, 17. 12 plus 17 is 29. So you have got the 29 as answer by using the binary addition rule. So are you able to understand? There is no carry operation. I started with a very simple arithmetic, binary arithmetic addition, wherein the two numbers were there. At no point of time there was a question of 1 plus 1 and carry was generated. So this is a very simplest form of binary addition. I always start with very simple, and then slowly gradually we move to the complex. Now let us see the further complication. What is given here by red, the row which is in red, it specifies the carry. Okay, so now these are the numbers 1 0 1 1 0. I want to add with 1 0 1 1 1. I want to add. How will I perform the add? Forget this, whatever is there in the red. We will start one by one. Initially, the carry in will be 0 by default because there was no previous bits addition and carry was not generated. So 0 plus 1, what is the answer I said? 1. There is no carry, but 1 plus 1 is 2, as you presented as 1 0. So 0 is the answer and carry generated is 1. Okay. Now here 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, but this one will get added. So this answer is 1 and carry was generated. So 1 over here. 0 plus 0 is 0 plus this one is added. So 1 plus 1 is 0. There was no carry in previous operation. So the carry is 1 and 1 will come down as it is. Check whether the answer by using binary addition works for these two numbers. So let me write what was the initial uh, number given, what was the value of this 1 0 1 1 0 was 6. 6 plus 16. You just calculate and tell me whether the answer is correct or wrong. So this is a binary addition. which I have displayed in front of you, how to add the two binary numbers when there is a carry. When there is a carry, are you able to understand? Please see on the presentation once, write it down on the notebook, and if there is any confusion or any query, feel free to talk to me here and here itself or in the chat box. I am giving you 5 minutes. If you have followed up to this, we will move further. Very, very interesting things are there. How inside the computer, how the operations takes place, that we are going to link once you understand how the binary operations are taking place, and then we will further move it to the complex hardware circuitry once the theoretical concepts are clear to you. So please write down in the chat box whether the addition process of two binary numbers is followed or not. Amol Singh is saying yes, that means he has followed. Others, please share your understood. Very good. Khushi Thakur, Om Thakre, very good. Followed. Very good. क्या बात है? Very good, very good. Okay, fine, fine. Very good. So you people have followed how the addition of binary number takes place when there is a carry, and when in case where there is no carry, that also we have discussed, and how the addition of two binary numbers takes place when there is a case of carry. This also we have discussed. So these things you must know, although it is not mentioned specifically into the your syllabus, but it is implicit that you must know how the addition takes place, how the negation or the subtraction takes place, so that we can design the algorithm for multiplication and division by using Booth's algorithm. That is how the internally the computer is programmed to perform multiplication, because it doesn't understand anything other than binary numbers, and it performs only shift add operation, shift subtract operation, and subtraction also is nothing but addition, but the negative number is in two's complement form. So that is going to follow in subsequent slides. But in short, what I am telling, inside the computer, only shift, binary number shift and add. Only these two operations are possible in case of computer inside hardware. Remaining things are derived out of the shift and add operation only. Very, very interesting things to follow in case of Booth's algorithm. That time you will again realize this. So half adder, when there is a no case of carry, when the carry third element is not present, like we have seen in this case. Here in the second case we are actually adding 3 bits. Okay, 3 bits we are adding, but here we are adding only 2 bits. So when it is a question of only 2 bits, and there is no third bit of previous carry to be added, it is called as half adder. Half adder. And the truth table for this is there, that input is x and y. When it is 0 0, the sum, that is fourth column, you can see over here, sum is 0, carry, which is this column, this is also 0. So sum and carry both are 0. In case of 0 1, in case of 0 1, sum is 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. In case of 1 0, the sum is 1 again, carry is 0. But in case of 1 1, what we have decided, what we have decided is there, that 1 plus 1 is, sum is 0, but carry is generated, carry is generated. So this is what is the truth table. And if you will see the truth table carefully, the Boolean logic can be represented as sum of products, because I'm not able to restrict myself, although it is not the part of your syllabus. This sum can be represented as x dash into y, or x bar into y, plus xy bar, and this is nothing but, this sum is nothing but, if you will see, it is just a XOR gate. The sum can be derived by using XOR gate only. And carry, if you will see, we have related it with the help of एंड ऑपरेशन. एंड ऑपरेशन में क्या था बेटा, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 प्रोडक्ट. Product is 1 in case of 1 1 combination. So our sum can be represented as x XOR y, and carry can be represented as x dot y. This is the what you can say, that logic gate implementation of actual hardware of half adder. अभी आप लोगों का प्रैक्टिकल बंद है, लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा बताना चाहूंगा कि अगर ये आपका प्रैक्टिकल होता था, अगर ये आपका प्रैक्टिकल होता था, तो आईसी आप लोगों ने देखा रहेगा, इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट, ब्लैक छोटा सा डिवाइस रहता है, उसको पिंस रहते हैं। तो एक्सऑर गेट का एक आईसी लगेगा और एक एंड गेट का आईसी लगेगा. We will do these connections accordingly, and we will give signal as 0 volt or 5 volt based on these input combinations. And on the other side we will put a resistor and LED, light emitting diode. So whenever output is 1, the some output LED would have glown, and whenever carry is generated, carry that particular combination at xy, this carry output would have glown. So that is how we could have performed the practical in case of laboratory. Uh, there was a practical actually as per the syllabus on this particular half adder circuit. So I hope the concept of half adder along with truth table and logic gates is clear to you. By simple xy bar plus x bar y, you can check it that it is a XOR gate. XOR gate में exclusive OR gate. जब exclusively एक ही element 1 है तो ही output high. अगर दोनों element 1 है तो output low है, इसके लिए ये XOR है. ओके. अगर ये भी आपका कॉम्बिनेशन 1 रहता था किसी ट्रूथ टेबल में, तो ये XOR की जगह पे हम खाली OR का गेट ड्रॉ करते थे. दैट वुड हैव द चेंज. आई होप the half adder and its implementation is followed. Now I will move to the adding only 2 bits but no carry in. But when there is a carry, how many bits will require? We will require 3 bits, as we have seen this. In this particular case, we have at any point of time, we have considered 3 bits. We have considered 3 bits. So with the 3 input bits, as you people are very sharp, how many truth table inputs will be there? How many combinations? There will be 8 combinations. So let us consider the third input, that is C in, carry in, as a third input, X, Y, and Z. It will produce a carry out, and it will produce a sum. You can easily write down the truth table for full adder. These all things you are expected to know when we start with Booth's algorithm, because we perform addition, we perform 3-bit addition over there, and we perform the negative numbers, and we perform addition of one positive and one negative number. So you must know how the two's complement and one's complement and adder works. So this is a very, very important thing. The question may not come directly as give the truth table of full adder and implement it, but in a latter part, every time when I say that it is a full addition, so you must understand that these three bits are to be added. So input combination, as you people have got enough expertise on writing down the input possible combinations as from 000 to 111 by gradually increasing by 1. 001, 010 is 2, 011 is 3, 100 is 4, 101 is 5, 110 is 6, 111 is 7. Now let us see what is the addition. As all the three bits are zeros, there is no sum, there is no carry, both are zeros. One bit is 1, so sum is 1, carry is 0. Here also there is only one bit is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. 100, sum is 1, carry is 0. 101, carry is 1, sum is 0. 110, since 2 bits are there, addition carry is 1, sum is 0, and 111, uh, in this case, sum is also 1 and carry is also 1. So this is very, very important to write down the truth table of full adder, to write down the truth table of full adder, and if you write down the sum of mean terms, actually, when we had a discussion on syllabus setting along with all the teachers from Mumbai University, everybody said that, sir, sum of product and product of sum is not mentioned in the syllabus, and then we will require it when we write down the truth table of full adder. But as of now, just understand that sum of product and product of sum are again the how we have written the Boolean laws. One law was in the form of product, the other one was in the form of sum. So similar is the case. They are the different version of the same rule. Now here, what is the sum of product? Consider this particular column of sum. Okay. Now here at the second place it is 1. So when I want to write down the expression where sum is 1, I can write it down as sum of product. So just understand what I'm saying. It is the first element where sum is 1 is x bar y bar z. जहां पे जीरो था वहां पे मैंने लिखा x bar y bar z plus I will write s is equal to x bar y bar z प्लस यहाँ पे 1 है देखो x बार y z बार प्लस यहाँ पे है देखो ये पर्टिकुलर रो में 1 है देखो x y बार z बार एंड एक्स वाई जेड ये प्लेसेस पे 1 है तो इसका सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट में लिखूंगा दैट इज नथिंग बट आउटपुट s इज इक्वल टू 1 एट x bar y bar z plus x bar y z bar plus x y bar z bar and x y z at this place the sum is 1. Similarly, carry is 1 can be written again. Follow, I will not be in a hurry. Even if you don't understand, it's okay. Sum of product of sum. If you don't understand, just for your knowledge, I have added this sum of product terminology. but this is what I have written. I have drawn the arrows, and with the help of arrow, the first arrow pointing over here is 0, 0, 1. So x bar, y bar, z. Second is x bar, y, z bar, x bar, y, z bar. So this is what is sum. So if I XOR two gates, it is beyond your scope how it is XOR of two, but just for your knowledge, I have drawn. So similarly, K-map for carry the YZ, if you simplify it, you can simplify it uh, by using our Boolean laws. It is x bar yz plus x y bar z plus x y z bar plus xyz. If you simplify by using Boolean laws, this is what expression you get. This is full adder implementation. Full adder implementation. Please, please, please. In percentage, you can say, I cannot say fully you have understood, but tell me frankly, whatever I have spoken, whatever I have illustrated since morning about half adder and full adder, how much you are able to understand, suppose it is 100%. यहाँ से मैंने शुरू किया, यहाँ पे मैंने बोला, मैंने हाफ एडर बोला, जहाँ पे दो ही इनपुट कंसिडर किए। मुझे क्लास का डेप्थ देखना है अंडरस्टैंडिंग का। बाद में मैंने बताया कि भाई कैरी भी जनरेट हो सकता है प्रीवियस कैरी से, तो मैंने ट्रूथ टेबल लिखा और मैंने उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन लिखा यहाँ पे बाय यूजिंग के मैप। छोड़ो, के मैप तो है ही नहीं आपको, मैंने बुलियन लॉट्स से आप सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो क्या, ये भी मुझे बताओ। ये सिंप्लीफिकेशन कैसे आया, इसके पहले एक स्टेप आएगा, x bar y z, like this, whatever I said just before 2 minutes. I am coming to chat. I'm coming to chat and please give percentage of understanding. Very, very interesting. This class is going to give us very good statistics by the end of 4 years. That I am very sure. मुझे एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस है। मुझे चैट बॉक्स में थोड़ा सा फीडबैक देते रहोगे तो मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, और मुझे और भी मजा आएगा कि मैं आपको और ढेर सारी बातें बता सकूं। तो ये जो मैंने हाफ एडर और फुल एडर का कॉन्सेप्ट बताया है, ये मुझे सच्ची में बताओ एकदम कि कितना समझ में आया रे आपको। ये मैंने सम के बारे में बताया, कैरी के बारे में बताया, फिर मैंने फुल एडर बताया, फुल एडर का लॉजिक के ट्रूथ टेबल मैंने इम्प्लीमेंटेशन बताया। ये एक समझ में आ रहा है कि आप लोगों को, सच्ची सच्ची बताओ एकदम। 75%, 62.5, वेरी गुड क्वांटिफिकेशन अंकित गिरी। 75 अनुष्का, दिशा तामोरे, 70%। सर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं समझा, ओके। Implementation of, very good, good class, fairly good class. At one go, if you understood this much, I'm very, very happy, still very happy. I don't mind 80%, 70% is very good figure. I will come back once again and we will go step by step. आपका कॉन्सेप्ट एकदम क्लियर करेंगे अपन, तो आपको कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग में बहुत मजा आएगा, बहुत मजा आएगा। अगर आप लोगों को ये सब कॉन्सेप्ट समझे तो आगे जाके अपना एसोसिएशन काफी रहने वाला है, क्योंकि मैं अभी ये तो सबको समझा रहेगा, इसमें तो कुछ डाउट ही नहीं है। 0+1 is 1, 0+1 when carries are there, you consider addition। जैसे हम लोग जो डेसिमल में एडिशन करते हैं वैसा ही मैं कैरी लेके गया। और हाफ एडर तो ऑलमोस्ट सबको समझा ही है। इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है इसका, इसका सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे मैंने एरो लिखा है, देखो सम के लिए। जब एक्स बार वाई है इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन तब 1 है, और जब एक्स वाई बार है तब आउटपुट 1 है। इसके लिए ये इसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन मैंने ऐसा लिखा। और बाद में कैरी के लिए मैंने लिखा जब xy is the combination x into y, that time the output is high. So that is how the sum of product, it is sum of product is written. Product of sum to beyond the scope, sum of product only you try to understand, where at whatever combination of input it is 1, for 0 you have to write the bar of that particular input, and for 1 you have to write the as it is as that of the input. So that is how I have written. Y dash भी मैंने क्या बताया, ये भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट है। सम बुक रिफर इट एज डैश, सम बुक रिफर इट एज बार, एक्स वाई बार और एक्स बार वाई, लाइक दिस। तो हाफ एडर में तो कुछ डाउट ही नहीं है। तो दिस इज हाउ आई हैव रियलाइज्ड और इम्प्लीमेंटेड the 2 bit का input 00011011 will come over here। 00 आएगा तो सम 0 आ जाएगा, 01 आ जाएगा ये कॉम्बिनेशन तो सम 1 आ जाएगा। कैरी यही यहाँ पे इनपुट गया है, कैरी 0 आएगा। और सिमिलरली 1 1 जब आएगा तब सम यहाँ पे 0 आ जाएगा, और यहाँ पे कैरी आउटपुट 1 आ जाएगा। so this is the you can imagine this as a black box. Here there is input, here there is output, and inside this circuit this will happen, and you will get this truth table. This is the half adder ka truth table. Then let us see about full adder. As I said you in full adder previous example, x, y, and the third input will be there. So x, y, and z, let us say that it is the carry in of previous operation. So there will be three inputs to this particular combination. The arrows which are going inside, they are the inputs, and outputs are denoted by the arrows going towards out. So I have written down as the input all the permutations and combinations of x, y, z, the case in which carry will be there, carry will not be there, and x, y, all the combinations. You people are expert. You only have said the other day for 3 input we have 8 combinations, for 4 input we have 16 combinations, for 5 inputs we have 32 combinations, and the things like that. So 3 inputs, that means I have total 8 combinations from 000 to 111, and I have written the sum and the carry. Sum and the carry. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0 with carry 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is sum is 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0 is sum is 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1 sum is 1, carried 0, but when I add that with 1 again, I get sum as 0 and carry as 1. And similarly, I have noted down the truth table for the last combination. Sum is also 1, carry is also 1 output, that is C out and sum. Okay, these are the two outputs. So now for sum of product, what I said, for sum is 1 when 001 is the combination. So first possibility for 1 is x bar y bar z. S is equal to x bar y bar z plus x bar y z bar, because here also there is 1, plus x y bar z bar, because here also 1, and x, y, z, because here also 1 is there. So I will write down all these four combinations as the sum of product. So sum is equal to x bar y bar z plus this plus this. Similarly, I will write down the carry is 1. Now, if you are not able to follow this step, let me write down here insert text box carry C is equal to पहला कॉम्बिनेशन है x bar y z, because here there is one x bar x dash y z, carry is equal to 1 at x dash y z plus x dash y z लिखा. बाद में क्या लिखना है मुझे? x y dash z, x y dash z plus x y z dash x y z dash plus x y z. Now, since you don't have the K-map reduction technique, you I have taught you the reduction technique by using Boolean laws. Okay, by Boolean laws I have taught, no? We have discussed. So from the first and fourth term of this, you can take yz as common in bracket x plus x dash, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, that means x plus x dash is 1, so yz into 1 is only yz, so only one term this is preserved. Similarly, you can further reduce it, and then you will get this as the simplified version of this. And then, because why we do reduction technique, why we do K-map reduction, or why we simplify the Boolean expression, because here I would have required so many OR gates of 3 4 OR gates, but here with the reduced thing I require only two input ka AND gate and 3 input ka OR gate, so which has reduced my hardware. So this is how is the implementation. Suppose by chance they ask you state and explain half adder and full adder, won't you be able to score full marks? What is the problem? Now after explaining it once again, please tell me whether you have understood. Whether you have understood now. We'll go very systematic step by step. Aman Lohani has written yes. ये बेटा ये क्वेश्चन आया तो फुल मार्क्स मिलाने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम यार? तुम लोग तो इतने ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट्स हो सब कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग के, आप लोगों को तो फुल मार्क्स आना चाहिए इसमें. कुछ डाउट ही नहीं है इसमें, अभी तो एकदम ही स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड और क्लियर है. आप लोग जो लोगों ने सिंप्लीफिकेशंस किए हैं, अभी तक नहीं किए हैं, वो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके बताओ वेदर यू आर एबल टू गेट दिस आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन दिस और नॉट. जस्ट टेल मी फ्रॉम दिस इज व्हाट इज द फुल एंड फाइनल ऑफ फुल एडर एंड हाफ एडर. एकदम बढ़िया हो गया आज तो. सब बच्चों को समझ में आना चाहिए. इसके बाद तो एकदम ही सिंपल वे में बताया मैंने. बहुत ही अच्छे से पढ़ा है सब बच्चों ने. दिशांत तारे भी लिख रहा है यस अंडरस्टूड. अंकित गिरी, देखो समझा है तो बिंदास लिखने का, समझ गया करके. कुछ लोगों को कैसा है, मैं भी आपके एज से गुजरा हूँ, तो आपके एज में ऐसा रहता है कि अरे भाई लिखा अपन ने यस, तो बाकी बच्चे बोलेंगे बहुत समझ में आ रहा है इसका, और पैर खींचते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है. आपको अगर सच्ची में समझ में आया है तो पॉजिटिव रहने का कभी भी, यस समझा भाई, मुझे तो समझा है, बाकी लोगों को नहीं समझा रहेगा। और थोड़ा बोल्ड रहने का, तो उससे क्या होता है कि थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव एक माहौल बनता है कि चलो सबको समझ में आ रहा है, उनको भी समझ में आ रहा है ऐसा। कुछ बच्चे थोड़े हेजिटेटेड रहते हैं कि भाई कैसे लिखूं मैं यस, और बाद में कम मार्क्स आएंगे तो बच्चे हंसेंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सब लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट करना है। आप लोग तो मेरी सबसे डियर बैच है, सेकंड ईयर ए डिवीजन। आई हैव स्टार्टेड टीचिंग विथ एज सुन एज यू हैव कम टू द डिपार्टमेंट, विल बी हैविंग लॉन्ग टाइम टुगेदर। So you, there is no point in not writing that you understood or not. Okay, so you can write if you understood. You can write. If there is some doubt, we can discuss here. We'll not go fast. We'll go step by step. We'll go slow. Once complement, two's complement, we will take in next class. No problem. You have started very early. We have started. We are far ahead than other colleges. हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से स्टार्ट कर दिया है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है। तो सब कुछ समझ में आ गया, हाफ एडर और फुल एडर, हाउ द एडिशन टेक्स प्लेस। So this PPT also I will be uploading it immediately after this lecture, but further things are not covered, so I will see whether it is covered, then I will upload, or then we will be starting with one's complement and two's complement representation, as it leads to subtraction. If I take two's complement addition, it is nothing but subtraction. As you people can see in my further slides, I have taken a lot of efforts to make you people really understood, so that your Booth's algorithm and other things will not be difficult. मैं हूं आपके साथ, तो आपको कोई भी टेंशन नहीं है, ये एक समझ लो आप। दूसरे डिवीजन वाले मेरे पास आ रहे हैं कि सर हम लोग आपके क्लास में बैठे, क्या मैंने अलाउ नहीं किया है। तो कैन वी फर्दर go, or it's okay to stop here? You people also might have exhausted, I suppose, and it's raining heavily also outside. So with this mindset, is it okay to stop here? Sir, let us digest. Yes, yes. I am also of the same opinion. Our frequencies are absolutely matching. Let us digest this first. And I'm very happy that you people share your feelings with me very openly, so that in this tough time we are together emotionally, we are very well connected with each other, and your enthusiasm is showing that you people are doing really great. So now again the question of attendance. Roll numbers are not assigned.